Jim Rogers, a seasoned investor, raises the alarm about rising inflation, hinting at a potential economic shakeup.
Well, Congress recently passed the Inflation Reduction Act.
This is an important step forward on inflation. It's going to invest in the future of our country.
Despite the U.S. stock market reaching record highs and the appearance of robust employment, deeper issues simmer beneath the surface. The increasing cost of living is beginning to strain the working and middle classes, signaling economic disparities that headline figures often mask. Rogers highlights a key concern: the growing national debt, now the largest in U.S. history.
Because of too much debt, Michelle, since then the debt has skyrocketed everywhere. So the next bear market is going to be the worst in my lifetime.
This escalating debt and inflationary pressures could lead to significant social and financial instability. It's a scenario where, on the outside, the economy seems to flourish, yet foundational cracks are widening. He urges investors to look beyond the rosy economic indicators. For instance, while the stock market boasts all-time highs, it's crucial to note that 90% of financial wealth is owned by just the top 10% of households. Additionally, over 100 million working-age Americans are not part of the labor force, revealing a more complex economic reality. In such a landscape, staying informed and prepared is vital. Ignoring these signs could lead to missed opportunities or significant losses in an eventual market downturn. Consider exploring investment options through a commission-free trading platform to navigate these uncertain times. Opening a free account can offer access to valuable resources, like up to 15 free stocks worth $2,000 and the opportunity to earn a 5.1% APY on uninvested cash. Click the link in the description to start your journey and stay ahead in the changing economic climate. Remember to subscribe for more updates and insights.